Hi students, I hope that you all are fine. How are you students? Now I am going to discuss about one topic, that is compound. Compound is a pure substance. How it is formed? It is formed two or more elements combined to form chemically joined. That is called compound. So compound, for example, atom of the element hydrogen and oxygen combine chemically in a fixed ratio to form the compound, that is water. Water formula H2O. So hydrogen is an atom and oxygen also atom, and hydrogen is a two atom present and oxygen one atom is present. So two or more atoms chemically join to form compound. Okay students. Next, water does not have the exact same properties as hydrogen and oxygen. For example, at room temperature, water exits as liquid, while hydrogen and oxygen exit as gas. Also, oxygen support fire, whereas water is used as a fire extinguisher. Similarly, students, for another one, okay, it is sodium chloride. In our daily life we are using sodium chloride, no? We are cooking purpose we are using. So what are the element present in sodium chloride? Sodium and chlorine. So sodium chloride is a compound. It is made up of element. What are the elements? Sodium and chlorine. It is used in our food. Sodium and chlorine are poison. Okay students, are both unsafe for consumption. But at the same time, sodium is highly reactive solid at room temperature. It's burned vigorously when it contact with water. Okay. Chlorine is yellow in color. Chlorine is yellowish green poisonous gas at room temperature. Okay. But at the same time, that two elements are separately individually present means that is a poisonous substance. It is chemically combined one compound giving means that is sodium chloride. That is not a poison. Okay. We are daily use in our food. Okay. Next, difference between element and a compound. Element is a simplest substance. For example, hydrogen is a one element, H. Okay. Oxygen is a one element. Okay. That is O. And compound means you already know chemical substance formed combination or chemically formed two or more atoms. Okay. That is compound. So element means simplest one. Okay. Element combine to form compounds. Compounds cannot be split into element. We have to split the element combine to form compound. Okay. Elements combine to form compound, but at the same time compound does not split into elements. Atoms are the fundamental particles of an element. Element's fundamental particle is atom. At the same time, compound molecules are the fundamental particles of a compound. That is a molecule of a fundamental particles of a compound. Okay. Then symbol of element. So what is the symbol? So for example, hydrogen symbol H, oxygen symbol O. Okay. See here. The symbol is an abbreviation or short representation of a chemical element. There is a unique symbol for each element. The symbol is usually derived from the name of the element, which is either in English or Latin word. Okay. These symbols are International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is IUPAC. So IUPAC means it is very important one, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So in this, John Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbol for elements. Who is the first symbol used for elements? Who? Who means John Dalton. Okay, Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols for elements. So see here, students. See here. So what are the symbols of some elements? So for example, hydrogen. Hydrogen symbol is that is, see here, this is a symbol, okay. And phosphorus symbol, see that one. Next, copper symbol, okay. See here, students, one round is present, center one C present, okay. Next, gold, see here, students, that like clockwise format, okay. Then carbon means that's one round. Next, sulfur plus. Next, lead L. Next, platinum PT. Next, oxygen O. Next, iron I. Silver yes. Next, mercury, okay. So these are the symbols present in the compound. Who gave the symbols for the elements? That is John Dalton, okay. Then following rules you have to while assigning symbol as an element. What are the rules you have to follow? Chemical symbol usually consists of 2 letters or 1 letter, okay. Suppose for example, hydrogen, 1 letter we have to use, or otherwise some compound or some atoms we have to we have to write 2 letters, okay, 2 starting letters. Next, the symbol of most element corresponding to the first letter is capital letter. Second letter we want to write means that is small letter, okay. Next, see here, students, some elements and they are see here, students, some elements and they are single letter symbols. So hydrogen symbol is H, okay. Fluorine symbol is F, okay. Next, oxygen O. Carbon, see, name itself we have to write the symbol, okay. Starting letter we have to write, okay. Next, phosphorus P. Sulfur S. Potassium K. Uranium U, okay. Next, first letter is capitalized while the second letter has a lower case, okay. In some elements we have to give first letter means we have to write the capital letter. Second letter also we want to write means we have to write smallest number. So see here some second letter using element aluminium, that is Al, okay, Al. Next, organ, that is Ar. Arsenic AS. Barium Ba. Nickel Ni. Bromine Br. Okay, students, starting letter and second letter also you have to write, okay, these elements. Next, chromium Cr. Cobalt Co. Helium He. Magnesium Mg. Calcium Ca. Chlorine Cl. Okay, students, these elements are we want to write 2 letters, okay, first letter and the second letter. First letter we want to write capital letter, second letter we want to write smallest letter. That's all, students. Next class we have to see another one topic. Study well. All the best. Thank you.